What's up everybody, this is Chris from speedvisionmedia. I'm here at 1110 Garage. We're going to do a quick review on the Free Spirits Parts rear Brembo brake caliper conversion kit for Triumph, Speed Twin, and Thruxton 1200. Let's go check it out. Alright everybody, I just want to preface this by saying I did this on my own accord. I'm not sponsored by Free Spirits or by Triumph or any other brand. I just felt like this would be a really cool upgrade and I wanted to try it out for myself and see what it felt like. Alright, so I'm here with my personal 2019 Triumph Speed Twin 1200. And as you can see, I have the Free Spirits rear brake caliper conversion kit already installed on this bike. I just want to kind of go over a few of the aspects of this product and maybe a few things you should expect when you're installing it, as well as a few things you should expect to notice after you've installed it and put a few miles on it. It's a great kit. It's really well engineered. It fits nicely. It's supposed to be a direct swap installation. One of the things you want to look out for with this though is what they don't mention in the instructions. The brake fluid bleed nipple is on the bottom of the caliper. So since the bleed nipple is on the bottom of the caliper, what you're going to want to do before you install this is hold it upside down and put some sort of spacer in between the brake pads so that when you bleed the caliper, you can get that air out of the caliper itself before you install it on the bike. One other thing you should keep in mind is that there's a bolt that holds the caliper onto their custom CNC bracket here. So, as they explained to me, Free Spirits explained to me that this bolt is supposed to be flush with the inside of the bracket so that it doesn't interfere with the ABS speed sensor ring on the wheel. When you install this, before you install this, you should check to make sure that that bolt is actually flush with the mounting bracket so that you don't get any type of marking or scoring on your ABS speed sensor ring right there. So the issue I had with this is that when I got the part from Free Spirits, that bolt that holds on this caliper was not flush with the mounting bracket that they provide. So my technician actually had to remove it after already putting it on. He had to file down the bolt so that it was flush with the caliper bracket and reinstall it. And during that procedure, when he tightened up the axle nut, we actually created a little bit of marking on my ABS ring. Luckily it wasn't too bad, so I was able to still keep the part without putting a new part on there. But that's just something you want to pay attention to before you install the part. Make sure everything's good to go before you install it so you don't have to backtrack and spend extra time or pay a shop to spend extra time getting this thing to work right for you. So, as for the benefits of this kit, the one thing that I really liked about it is now I've got two Brembo brake front calipers as well as this matching Brembo rear caliper. You retain the original brake disc and all it is just the adapter kit and the caliper itself. So to close things out, I've got about 500 miles on this Brembo brake caliper conversion kit from Free Spirits Parts. It does a really great job. I feel like it's a little more precise than the Nissan factory caliper. But for me, it was really about having the bike be a little more cohesive with branding. I just kind of like having that extra flair with the Brembo rear brake caliper. That was where a lot of the value lied for me, but you're definitely going to notice a difference in the performance as well. If you're interested in finding out where to get these parts, please send us a message or comment and make sure to like and subscribe because we're going to be putting out a lot more cool review videos on this bike and other bikes and other parts as well. So keep following us and you'll see some cool content coming out soon.